Are birds spirit beings? I tend to think so. I really do. They bring us messages from our loved ones who have passed, perhaps. What do you think? I know when my father passed away in 2001, I told him before he passed, at his bedside, I said, "Dad, send me messages from beyond through birds." And every now and then I do get some messages from him. One time I was upset about something, this was a few years ago, and I looked up in the sky and 7 hawks flew by me up ahead, up high in a beautiful formation. No kidding. And the reason I thought, well, maybe that's Dad saying something from beyond, because my dad in the Army Air Force in World War II was in a squad called the Hellhawks. Yep. And then another time I've gotten other messages from beautiful hawks that come to my bird bath and things like that. I also get a white crane visiting the yard quite often. Anyway, just wanted to say hi real quick. Love. Bye-bye.